Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I will be talking about the project that I'm currently working on. And this is kind of a big project. You can characterize this project as an order management, stock management app or inventory management app. Uh, yeah, so like before showing you the app, I will be telling you how I actually got the idea of building this app or working on this app. So actually my sisters are running a Instagram page where they sell the clothes. So their Instagram page is La Rosa. If you want to go and check it out, you can check it out on Instagram. So yeah, so basically they need they need to manage their inventory. So they have an Excel file. They manage all the inventory, as well as they have to print out invoices for that. Whenever a customer orders, they need to print out an invoice. Okay, so they have to create an invoice again and again. Another thing is that it is kind of hard for them to manage the inventory and to measure uh, like what kind of sales are going up, like what are the categories of things that the people are buying more. So the order history, what was the order history, they need to manage as that as well. So to in order to help them out, I thought of making an app. Okay, so first of all, when I started working, so I started firstly working on the UI of part of the app. Okay, and I'm still doing the UI. I almost done 90% done with the UI part, and so now I'm going to start with the coding part of this app. Okay, so I started building up the UI in Figma. So through this app, I will also learn how to use Figma, because I've not used Figma before. So this is the first project I'm using Figma for. So yeah, let me show you the app. Okay, so yeah, this is the whole pages that I've created on Figma. Let me show you how's the navigation is going to look like, and how's the actually the user flow in this app is going to look like. Okay, so this is the first page that the user will come to. They can click on get started. Now there will be two roles, a manager and a guest role. In the manager role, you can manage your inventory, as well as what are orders that have been taken place. So you can put all that data. In guest, you can just browse what is the catalog, and like what is the item details and everything. Okay, so this guess is pretty simple. You can just view the all the catalog items, what are the all the items that we have. Now another thing that I was trying to tell you is that by building this app, I think that I could even customize this app for other businesses as well. So once I have created this app, like once I have built the whole app, I can give it to my sisters. They can try the app. I will get a lot of feedback from my sisters, so in that way I will also be able to improve the app. Okay, and I also want you guys to leave some suggestions or anything that you have in mind regarding this app. Please let me down in the comment section. It will really help me out a lot. So yeah, make sure to you comment down below. Okay, let's dive right back in. So yeah, once we have they click on a manager thing, they can put down their phone number. Through that phone number, I can know what is the if they are having the right privileges as a manager or not. So they can request OTP, they can submit the OTP, and this is going to be the dashboard or the home page of the app. Now in here we will show the kind of a graph, like if the sales are up, how much percent they are up. If even if the sales are down, we are going to show that even here. Catalog, they can view the catalog same like a guest, and they can even add the items, because a manager has the permission to add the items. They can also look around at what are the incomplete orders. Let's say for example, a customer has placed a order, but the payment is not received yet. So they keeping it on the homepage will be easy for my sisters to just look down quickly if there is any incomplete order, if there's any order that the packaging is left or the shipping is left. a little bit of analytics on the homepage where I will show like what are the most purchased type of categories. Like let's say for example bags are selling out more, or let's say for example bags like which kind a particular category of items are selling out more. And below this I'm also going to keep which products are selling out well. Let's say for example a black top is selling out there's more sales of black top, so I'm going to keep that. Then another, what is the another item that is selling out fast, so like 3 to 4 items to show like what are the items that are selling out more. Okay, so yeah, this is going to be the dashboard or the homepage. I think this is going to be the sidebar. Now here's going to be the user profile photo, their number and everything. Another thing is that they can go to the company info, uh, like whatever the details they put in the company info, that the same details will be reflected in the invoices. Let's say for example when they can generate invoices through this app itself, right? So whatever the details they have put on this page, the same details will be mentioned in the invoices that are generated. Okay, another thing, let's go back to home. Okay, so this was the company info, so they can enter the details. Another thing is the order section. Now they can sort the order according to new. Also I'm going to work on the filter section, like maybe they can filter let's say for example order all the orders that were placed on Mumbai, like from the customers from Mumbai ordered these items. Okay, so that in that way I'm going to put some filters that the that my sisters can enter. They can also enter the order ID to search for a particular product, first search for a particular order, and once they click on the order, they can pretty much download the invoice for that order, check out the customer details, uh, what is the total profit that is going to they are going to make for this particular order. Is the amount being paid? If the amount is paying, just click on this checkbox. If the amount like order is packaged, then just click on this checkbox. Order is shipped, click on this checkbox. And what were the shipping charges and what is the transaction ID, to keep a note of everything. That will you know just to keep a history of everything. And if the customer has cancelled the order, they can just cancel the whole thing uh, out, right? So yeah, this is going to be the order details section. I've kept it pretty simple. Now I can even customize this for other businesses. Maybe other businesses have more amount of more stages to this, so I can add those stages here, or maybe more like a list I can keep it, right? Another thing, so yeah, this is the whole order section. And let me just, yeah. So other thing is going to be let me show you. So I'm still working on the analytics and export sales. In analytics section, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show like okay, so for this month they can select the duration, like for the past 3 months what were the sales looking like, for the past 6 months what are the sales looking. So in the analytics section I'm going to show more details. Let's say for example in the month of October, let's say there was Dashera, so maybe because of the Dashera some people were buying that product. So whatever the products that were sold around that date, I can show that maybe because of the Dashera the people were buying more. So maybe next year the my sisters can buy the same type of category of items and they might sell out more. So like that information I'm going to show in analytics. This was just one thing that there will be more other things. Let's say for example because of some trend that is going on in the internet, this type of product is selling more. So like that information I'm going to show in the analytics section. In export sales, it's just going to be like to export the past orders into a Excel file. So they can generate an Excel file containing all the order details and everything. Yeah. So yeah, let's go to view catalog. So no, in view catalog is just a little bit change than the guest section. So there here we can see like what is the selling price of a product and what was the purchase price of the product. Okay, so when we click on this, we can actually go and edit the details of this particular uh, product. Sorry, yeah. So of this particular product, and we can even see the analytics section. Let's say, for example, like what were the whole, like the how this product is performing for this year, what were the orders pending or orders completed for this particular product. Okay, another thing is, if they want to create, or let's say for example a customer has ordered this particular dress, so they can create an order, add a new customer, or select a previous customer that is already in the database. If there's a new customer, then we can just add a new customer, add the customer address details, what was the selling price, maybe the person has negotiated, so we are selling it for some other price, and we just click on create order, and that's it, the order will be created. Okay, and then it will show on the orders section. Okay, so this is whole the catalog is look like. Another thing would be to show, let me just go back here. Yeah, so another thing would be, they can add the item. So in adding the item, they can create a new category. If it's a new category, let's say for example they're introducing a bag collection or another type of clothing section, they can just upload the icon, and just save the category, and that category is going to be appearing here. So they can select the category and just upload the mention the product details and save that item, so that particular item is going to show them in the catalog as well. They can also like what is the quantity, of like how much stock of this product they are having. They can upload multiple photos. So that's yeah, so that's what the whole add to item of catalog is going to look like. So yeah, like I said, I need to work more on this, but I'm soon going to finish the UI part of this. I'm soon going to proceed with the coding section. And so firstly, I'm targeting to create a application, mobile application, like for Android and iOS. Then after that, I'm thinking of creating a Windows application. So I'm going to use Flutter. So Flutter also has the option to create a Windows application for a Windows application, right? So I'm going to use that to explore and see how the Windows application could be created through Flutter. But overall, why I'm looking of spending more time on this project is because I've not even worked with analytics, like I'm not worked with analytics in my past projects. I'm not worked with graphs. So through this project I will even learn about graphs and analytics. Yeah, so this is probably going to help me add some things to my skill set. Other thing is that, so like I said, I'm going to make it like a dynamic app so that I can customize it for other businesses. Yeah, if you are having a business, just DM me on Instagram. You can connect with me on Instagram. My Instagram name is Atisha_YT, so you can connect me on Instagram, mention any improvements that I can make in app. And even if you are having a business, just DM me. I will be happy to share the APK for this app once it is ready, and you can probably try it out and give me some feedback about this app. That would be good. Yeah. So these were all the details that I wanted to show you in this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.